Stop promoting or boosting posts directly from Facebook or Instagram. It is going to be the death of your account. Here's exactly why. I'm sure some of you are seeing a lot of likes and follows, comments, just engagement at a base level when you promote a post. But if you've been doing it for a while, what you've probably seen is that none of these people eventually buy from you. And because of that, it really is not returning your investment on the ad spend. So it's just burning money. And these people are, by nature of boosting a post, people who don't have disposable income. So let me explain why this works, and then I'll be showing you some ideas of what you could be doing with your money instead. When you boost a post, you have three options. You can do more profile visits, more link clicks, or messages. Now, the messages one isn't the worst thing that you could do. I'd say if you're gonna promote a post, then at least do the messages thing, which is, a completely different campaign than what probably most of you have in mind if you're trying to sell a product or service. You don't want to do it this way because in the Facebook Ads Manager, you have the option to select a campaign objective of purchases or leads. So if you are trying to get emails, you want to say leads. You don't want to say, hey, we're looking for more website visits, and then hopefully they fill out the lead form when they get to the website. You'll find that very few of them do, because the algorithm is set up to get you whatever you ask for in the cheapest way possible. And how the ads system works, like who are these cheaper customers to show to, they are people that don't buy things online because it's all an auction system. So the more people trying to advertise to these people, the more expensive the price will be. It's a bidding war. And if these are people who buy things online all the time, have a lot of disposable income, that means a lot of companies, whether they be your competitors or not, are advertising to them, trying to get sales from them. So it's saying, okay, we'll leave those people alone because they're the most expensive. Let's just get you people who love to click links for as cheap as possible, or people who will visit your profile, like your post, follow you. But you'll find that you are adding to your base of followers with people that just naturally don't have any disposable income, because that is who the algorithm is looking for. So I would not do this, because all followers are not created equal. You can't just say, yeah, but look at all the followers it's getting me, and expect for those to play out like your other followers might have. You can't say, oh, if we double our followers, we'll double our income, because these are people that just don't buy things online, or they don't engage with leads, and usually they don't end up being the best followers for you long term. So don't boost or promote a post on Instagram. Always do it in Ads Manager. Now, I've got a full video that I will link below on exactly how to do Facebook ads, like a walkthrough. Like, what do all the buttons mean? I know it's kind of confusing back there. The main reason you're probably boosting/promoting posts is because all of those buttons back there are really confusing and you just don't want to deal with it, but you do want to invest in your business and spend some money on ads. So what you're going to want to do, go through that video if you just need a full walkthrough, and set your objective for either leads or sales, whichever one you're looking for, and then run a campaign, and you'll see that you actually get those a lot more likely. And those are the campaigns that have a much higher potential for actually paying for themselves, because we are pursuing, actually quality customers with how the ads are set up. And if you'd like a little bit more help, you can find a link below to book a call with me, where I will be doing a Facebook ads audit with you live, sharing your screen with me, and you can show me exactly what ads you've run in the past or you have currently running, and I will get to the bottom of why they are not working for you. So even if you don't want to invest in professional services, take me up on that, and I will at least give you some free advice and steer you in the right direction. Hopefully I'll be talking to you soon. Otherwise, subscribe if you got some value today, and look forward to a lot more videos coming soon.